Hi guys, it's Chanel and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be starting a Solotica review series for you all. I recently partnered up with them and got 5 color contacts from them to review, as well as I got a shopping problem and I bought 4 of my own. So I have 8 colors to review all together and just give you guys just all the true tea on them. Now, to be honest, I did have a full video already done and started editing for you all concerning the true tea, not sponsored, nothing given for me free or anything like that. I had went out and bought contact lenses with them, and let's just say that I did come across some issues and had to interact with our customer service to get life straight. But the reality is that video came up to be a wash because I lost the audio for it. So I'm trying to work on a way to redo that for y'all. Let me know if it's worth me going through the hassle of trying to rework this video for you guys. If you want some deep background tea on Solotica and the customer service and how all that life works, let me know down below and I'll hook that up for y'all. But if not, if you're just good, girl, I don't care about the issues you had in your life and you're just I just want to be here for the colors and see how they're on, then this series is for you. Today's color I am wearing is the Beleza Gray. This is part of their Aquarella line, or Aquarella. We're gonna go with that pronunciation today. With that line, all their contact lenses are quarterlies, meaning they are good to wear for 4 months. Me personally, this is just my 2 cents. I like color contact lenses that have shorter wear times and necessarily longer. If you're not a color contact lens wearer normally and you want to start getting into color contact lenses, trust me, I have monthlies with them all the way to yearlies, and I'm letting you know, the shorter the wear time, the more comfortable they are. So just keep that in mind for in the future for when y'all purchase. If I haven't said it already, like I said, I partnered with them and they did give me a promotional code. It's Chanel. I want to keep it posted for you guys somewhere in the corner here. So if you ever want to go onto their website to purchase, just use that code and it's going to save you some monties because you don't deserve these prices. Just a little background on Solotica. Solotica is pretty much known as the world's most natural color contact lenses out there. To date, everyone rants and raves about them. Solotica has opened up their own website, which is www.solotica.com. That's what my code's good for, so shop with them so you don't have to worry about any hassle, because legit, people, there are a lot of dupies out there. Good thing I did my research, because there are some falsies out there concerning selling Solotica contact lenses, and their prices are even higher and you're not getting the genuine thing. So make sure you're shopping their website only directly to make sure you're getting the most genuine thing. They're US FDA approved. That was one of the things that was keeping me from buying Solotica earlier in the past, because they weren't FDA approved. Outside of that, they have extremely fast shipping for you all through their website. They ship through FedEx Express. You receive your contact lenses literally in 3 to 4 days, which is so nice, especially coming from someone, like I said, I've been wearing contact lenses 15 years plus. I would sometimes wait up to weeks to receive them after going to the eye doctor, which is another thing about Solotica contact lenses, which I don't want to miss stating, that obviously they come in prescription as well as unprescribed for those who don't need it, but I definitely have bad eyesight, so prescription is well needed for me. And on top of that, I do have astigmatism. I haven't got to indulge in that aspect, but if you are one with astigmatism, they even can suit your prescription to suit that as well. Into packaging, this is how all my contact lenses, gifted as well as purchased, came to me. It was in this cute Solotica box. So do know when you do shop with them, it's not this is not a promotional box they just give out to YouTubers or people who do reviews for them. This is just literally their genuine packaging. Super, super cute. You know, get the little Brazilian vibes. Opens up like that. They give you the cutest little stickers. I have no children, so these will not be utilized unless I want to do an Olivia Sour concept and just put stickers all over my face, because Lord knows I'm obsessed with her right now. But that's besides the point. You also get this for you quick and easy how to insert your contact lenses and take care of them. And then you get your box of contact lenses, which comes with a contact lens holding case in there for you as well, so you're able to like obviously store them. Me personally, with all my contact lenses, I use their storing case, but for cleaning, I'm a hydrogen peroxide cleaner. I use a chamber case to clean all my contact lenses. So after them sitting in there and cleaning that way, then I put them in the case that was given to me. So like I stated, today I'm wearing the Beleza Gray. Honestly, out of all the contact lenses I own, is the most bright and vibrant of them all. I don't know if I look as ghostly as I do from this viewfinder. She's super bright. When I first got her and put her on, I was like, this is gonna be an adjustment. I don't know if I really like her, because like she was giving me like Twilight vibes, like I'm gonna steal your soul kind of concept. But I kind of got used to her, especially with the Beleza Gray. I was really excited to try a gray out with Solotica, because that's what I normally wear color contact lenses with. Considering my prescription ones I get from my eye doctor, they are sterling gray. So I mean, they're the brightest gray I can get, like from a prescribed doctor. So I really wanted to go brighter, and I knew Solotica could do that for me. And these definitely are bright. Like, I'm just saying. So just some added info about Beleza Gray for when you are shopping online. She's $50. Like I said, she's a quarterly, so she definitely is cheaper than getting like a yearly, because the $50 covers for 2 lenses. You'll notice when you're shopping for like the yearlies, you'll have to buy the lenses individually. The description for her is that the Beleza Gray is a sterling two-tone gray color with that which dazzles and shines. This two-tone blend effortlessly captures a look which is both mystical and natural, perfect for nights in or nights out. This tone will enhance your natural eye color to a natural yet captivating shade of gray. Now, I don't necessarily know if I would consider Beleza Gray to be natural. Not on my skin tone, obviously. Not to say that there aren't some beautiful black girls out there rocking them blue-gray eyes, but I wouldn't necessarily sit there and be like, oh, it's the most natural thing in the world, because like I said, these look bright as crap and rather ghostly. But I am surprised, like feedback wise, from when I wear these to work, because I've had these contact lenses for months now and I've worn them multiple times. I'm rather shocked, because I wouldn't expect to get compliments with these contact lenses, but they'll be like, oh my gosh, your eyes are so pretty. Is this your color? Are these color contact lenses? Like, they don't know, and they're like literally in my face. Social distancing sometimes just is not a concept for them. I'm like, no, they're contacts, but they're all like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, it looks so good. I'm not gonna like knock it or anything like that. I feel like there's other color contact lenses I have that look better and more natural, but if they love it, I love it. So there you go. Wear wise, because I do have a few color contact lenses on here that I'll talk about that aren't the most comfortable to wear. These are fairly comfortable. For a quarterly, they're not too bad. I do not feel like I get the same wear time concerning comfortability as I do my prescription one from my eye doctor, because those are monthlies. The makeup of these contact lenses with Solotica are completely different. They use materials than the ones that I get from my eye doctor prescribed, and because of that, like I do notice I have a bit more drying than I normally would, and the longer I wear them, the more uncomfortable they get. So usually first putting them in, I'm usually good the first like 3, 4, 5 hours without necessarily feeling any irritation, but definitely after that 5th hour, well, I start to notice more dryness. First wearing Solotica, I noticed a lot of shiftiness with a lot of their color contact lenses. Solotica, I contacted them, they said that your eyes just have to get used to their materials and that it will finally settle. I did feel like that was kind of true, but I do feel like when I blink or like turn side to side or anything like that concerning my contact lenses rubbing up against my eyelid, you can like see slight shifts in the color contact lenses, and because the pupil on these is so teeny, it does adhere my vision at times, and I get like a kind of like a halo with my eyesight. I've also noticed that they pick up particles or dust easier. They don't clean themselves as well as my prescription glasses, to say the least. Yeah, I feel like they pick up debris, or like if I get like, or my makeup gets smeared on them some kind of way, and it holds onto it, so I will have to literally take it out and like clean it again to put it back in my eye to get like a clearer vision. If not, it's just blurry the entire time, and that's annoying, but that's just reality, and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. That's basically it for the Belize Gray. I think she's cute. Definitely for me, she's not an everyday eye because she does a lot, because she's just wants so much attention, and she definitely like wants to suck in your soul. So she's more of a nighttime eye look. Definitely if you want to do that whole like dramatic smoky eye for your eyes to pop in your photos and things like that, she's gonna bring on that brightness and be noticed for sure. So she's more a going out color for sure. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this Belize Gray review. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask down in the comment section, as well as just give me your feedback. What do you think? Do you think Belize Gray works with me on my skin tone? Do I look scary to you? Are you intrigued? Do you like it? Do you love it? I want to know. But I will see you guys in the next review. You guys take care. Bye.